This is the overpass that is going to take care of or eliminate all of the traffic in the morning as far as school traffic.
Running conduit for the lights for the walkway.
For early morning safety and late night safety.
Kids or parents or just anyone walking across it.
Me and Jake, we take care of all of the stadium lighting, all of the ball field lighting, and every single pole in the county as far as security poles, him and I, we take care of every last one. Just to put it in perspective, Cane Bay High School has 90 poles by itself, and that's just security poles, not the 4 stadium poles that's on the football field.
Maintenance is our title, but you never know what you're going to get into day to day.
Our maintenance department is not just maintenance. We are actually pretty much a full-blown construction department.
Sometimes it's move things, add things.
Low-level lighting to stadium lighting to...
running lights to walkways, running power to new poles.
You name it, we do it.
Yeah, we do different things every day.
Where are you heading to next?
Berkeley Middle School.
What are you doing there?
We are retrofitting the school with a LED upgrade. So we're going to every fixture in the school and straight wiring it, taking out the old bulbs, straight wiring it, and then making the LED. Yeah, we're here bright and early in the mornings, and sometimes we don't leave until late at night.
I went to Macedonia High School.
I went to Berkeley High School.
I guess I just like to be able to give back to the community, you know, since the district's given me so much.
You know, I never thought that I was going to be an electrician when I was in high school, but I kind of fell into the job, and I mean, I've loved it ever since. Love my opportunity working here. I mean, it's a great place.
The guys that I work directly with, we all get along great.
You're able to grow here.
We have just as much fun as we do get things done.
You know, it makes the day better. You know, I don't come into work, you know, wishing I wasn't here.
And I mean, I actually love working with them, to tell you the truth. I love working with them. Really a great place to work, if you ask me.